Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to use proxies within Google Chrome without using any additional software or plugins. So first check your current IP. Right now I'm using a Bulgarian IP. The next step is to click in the top right corner on the settings button, type proxy settings, open your computer's proxy settings, click on manual proxy setup, and here in this field you need to enter your host IP and port that you'll be connecting to. In this case I'm using ProxyEmpire's residential proxies, so just copy the host IP as well as the port, click save, then go back to whoer.net, refresh the page, and it will prompt you to enter your username and password. Okay, and now when we refresh the page we see that we're now using a US IP. Simple as that. But here are the disadvantages of using proxies directly without using a proxy plugin for Google Chrome, or even better, using an anti-detect browser like multi-login app. The first disadvantage is, instead of just proxying your Google Chrome browsing traffic, right now you're actually proxying your entire network's traffic, so any other app or update that you do on your machine will be going through the proxy, which will cause your proxy to be slower. And if it's a metered proxy which doesn't have unlimited bandwidth, you'll actually end up running out of bandwidth pretty fast. For example, if your Windows updates or if some game on Steam starts updating and so on. So this is why we recommend using either an anti-detect browser like multi-login, or using a proxy manager like Oxy Omega, or one of the other many available proxy manager plugins. We'll go over several of them in our next videos.